This is how you remove an app from your home screen without deleting it from your device. Find the app you want to remove. We're going to use TikTok in this example. Tap and hold on it. Then tap Remove App. Then we have a choice to remove from home screen or delete app. Delete will remove it completely from your phone. If we remove from home screen, it will just remove it from the home screen, but it still exists on the phone. If we search for it, we see it appearing right there. We can also go into the app library, which if you scroll all the way to the right or swipe to the right, we see the app library here. TikTok is in here and they're recently added. You can also search the app library just like we searched with the other search bar. It's kind of the same effect. You can also just tap on a letter to get close to where you want to go and scroll through. A lot of apps with S. Let's see, TikTok. There we go, right there. And what you can also do, if you wanted to stay really private, you could add the app to the hidden folder down here. I've got another video that walks you through how to do that and why you might want to. And this folder is locked with Face ID, so the app will be totally private to you if you want that to be the case. The other video just mentioned in the card up above shows you how to do that. If you want to add TikTok back to your home screen or any other app that you removed for that matter, just tap and hold on it, tap on Add to Home Screen, and now it's back on the home screen. That's all there is to it. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to set any song as the ringtone for your phone. Super cool video. It doesn't take very long, so check it out and I'll see you there.